Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning in North Alabama, and I've been running around crazily all day. I want to talk to you about integrity today. Sometimes you wished you didn't have it. I'm just kidding. I do. I am glad that I have it. My father was the most honest man that I ever knew. And I took after him. Anyway, I won't lie. And I do have integrity. And I own my own business. And I think that's important, if you own your own business, to have integrity. People like to know that you can be trusted. Okay, my dog is having a fit to get up here, and I'm going to have to let him. Come on, get up here. Jump, jump, jump. There you go. Oh, no. Okay, sit down. I'll tell you about this dog sometime. He has anxiety, and he's very hard to deal with. But he's as old as I am, and we're going to ride it out together. Anyway, a few years ago, just talking about integrity, a few years ago, when my mother was still alive, we've always had a business of some sort. And at the time it was making curtains, which I still do online. I make Roman shades. Anyway, we would set up shops for people in other towns, and they would take orders. We would supply their work. Totally their business. We just would supply their work. So, in the contract of this specific store in Birmingham, it was 3 beautiful women. They were absolutely adorable. We learned to love them greatly. Still think about them often. But anyway, in the contract it said that we could not sell to anyone else within 50 miles. That's reasonable. Well, their shop did really well. I think it had a lot to do with their personality, and they took orders right and left. They all 3 bought a brand new car, identical. All 3 cars were identical. It was crazy. Anyway, they were doing well. Anyway, I would say about a year later, I got a phone call at the workroom, and it was a business in Birmingham, and they had multiple stores in multiple states, and they asked if we would supply their work, their orders. I think they wanted more or less a ready-made kind of deal. And right off the bat, I said, I'm sorry, we can't. If you're located in Birmingham, we have a contract with another person, and we can't sell to you. Well, they regretfully hung up. That's one time my integrity was stupid. That was stupid. We could have worked out something else with the 3 girls to their advantage also. But no, because of my integrity, I said no too hastily. Well, at the time, you didn't have caller ID, or I had no idea who they were. I didn't even remember the name of the business to call them back. You know what I'm saying? So, to my mother's dismay, because that could have been a very good opportunity for our small business. We could have expanded. At the time, we had 15 people working for us. We could have had 50 people working for us. But I think this is a good idea to let my dog sit in my lap because he's not walking around me whining. That may be a thing. Anyway, my dog distracted me. Let me look at my list. Okay, and I want to apologize because I know I look tired. I am old as the hills. I'm 75, and I'm still working every day. And I think I have worked 28 days straight without a break. And I'm tired. Although I have to say, at my age, I can only work half a day. When it's noon, I'm done. I can't do anymore. It's an old thing. But I'm still tired. I need a day just to sit on the sofa and watch movies all day or rest. But I can't do that for a while because let me tell you what happened. I sent an order to Boston to a well-known blogger, and they were quite complicated. To tell you the truth, I've never made any like that before. Across the bottom was a Grecian ribbon, small ribbon. Let me tell you, it took hours and hours just to put the ribbon on because you'd have to turn it, sew it 2 inches, turn it again, and you got all this fabric under the machine that you're trying not to wrinkle so terribly, but you have to keep turning it. And when you get through with that, you got to go back and do the other side of the ribbon. And plus you have to put it all on before you even sew it and measure it exactly. It's got to look exactly right. Well, I got them done. It took over a week to do 3 Romans, which is crazy. I mean, that's unheard of. But anyway, so she put them up last week. And she posts everything. So I had left off one item that she had written on her order, which said a permanent plate. Now I know that means probably nothing to anybody, but she wanted a pleat that was permanent so that when they were all the way down, they didn't look just like a piece of fabric hanging on the wall, on the window. I missed that. I missed that instruction. And I tried to figure out a way to fix it, even if she had to send them back for me to fix it. But how do you add fabric inside a Roman to make it longer, to make that permanent pleat? I couldn't figure it out. So I knew she was worried, and I knew she was going to have to spend a lot of money to get someone else to try to fix them or whatever. I just couldn't bear the thought of her being upset. So I let her know that I would redo them at no cost. I would furnish the lining, which she had furnished the lining for the first ones. But I felt so bad. I did. I felt terrible. I couldn't sleep the very first night. And I knew I had to do something about it. So now she feels better. I feel better. And as busy as I am, I've got to work those 3 Romans back in. And it's going to take over a week. I don't know where I'm going to find the days to do it, but I know I have to do it. So there you go. Integrity. I got it, and I got a double dose of it through my father. I know that I did. I can't help it. Can't lie. And me, of all people, chose 2 husbands who have no idea what the truth is. I'm sorry to say that. They're both still very much alive, but no one watches my videos. I don't think my family even knows about my videos, so I think I'm okay. I like to be able to say what I want to say. But anyway, I wish that it was built in to everyone that they couldn't lie. That it would be impossible to lie. You know, now that I think about it, I think that is built in. It's just some people are able to avoid that little structure inside them. Yeah, I guess that's what it is. Anyway, I guess honesty is the best policy, and I will continue it to the day I die. Okay, I've got to get up and turn the camera off and get the dog out of my lap, because I don't have time to edit videos, so that's not happening. I would make a new video before I would edit. Although I learned how, I don't want to. So I'll see you next time.